Hey folks, we're diving into the latest Amazon car gadgets today. Stay tuned because things are about to get exciting. Number 12. Premium Foam Cannon. Are you ready to take your car detailing to the next level? Introducing our Premium Foam Cannon with dual adjustable spray fans, brass and stainless steel fittings, and a versatile foaming nozzle. This must-have tool makes cleaning a breeze. It fits all bottle types and has over 32 ounces of capacity, creating a thick, protective foam layer for your car's paint, wheels, and trim. Elevate your detailing game today. Number 11. F-150 Bed Extender. Struggling with fitting large cargo in your F-150 truck bed? We have a game-changing solution. By simply lowering the tailgate, you can gain up to 60 centimeters of extra space. This practical bed extender, made from fiberglass reinforced polypropylene and weighing around 9 kilograms, swiftly collapses when needed. It's available for just $230, making it an affordable and smart investment for truck owners. Say goodbye to cargo space limitations with this innovative solution. Number 10. Fidget Moore. Are you ready for a whole new level of relaxation and stress relief? Introducing Fidget Moore Vision, a mesmerizing gadget inspired by the captivating world of kinetic sculptures. Its mechanical movement brings order to chaos, melting away stress and anxiety. We all fidget, whether it's clicking a pen or tapping our feet, but sometimes those habits fall short. Fidget Moore combines barrier grid animation and aromatherapy to engage your senses and bring you into the moment. As you rotate the driving wheel, a captivating animation unfolds before your eyes. With aromatherapy, it's a multi-sensory experience designed to help you unwind and find focus. Say goodbye to stress and hello to relaxation with Fidget Moore Vision. Number 9. OPT7 Aura Pro Interior Car Lights. Are you ready to elevate your car's interior lighting game? Introducing OPT7 Aura Pro, the ultimate lighting solution for your vehicle. With the exclusive OPT7 Connect app, you have total control over your car's lighting style. Customize presets, adjust brightness, and enjoy modes like solid, strobe, fade, color cycle, and sound sync all at your fingertips. But that's not all. OPT7 Aura Pro comes with an exclusive door assist entry light that changes colors via your smartphone. These flexible and durable strips are designed to fit even the trickiest areas, like door panels and seats. Plus, sound sync technology makes your lights dance to the beat of your music. Elevate your car's aesthetics with OPT7 Aura Pro. Number 8. iLIKE Ice Car Cushion. Have you ever suffered through a scorching hot car seat? Last year, Consumer Reports magazine exposed the rapid heat buildup inside cars. But here's the game changer: the iLIKE Ice Car Cushion. In just 30 seconds, it cools your seats using a clever mix of water and a Peltier cooler, the same tech found in smartphone cooling systems. With a 400 milliliter water tank and a brushless pump powered through your car's cigarette lighter, it's a breeze. Plus, it's quiet at just 48 decibels. Early birds during its Kickstarter launch grabbed this incredible innovation for only $120. Say goodbye to sweaty, uncomfortable rides with the iLIKE Ice Car Cushion. Number 7. Car Power Inverter. Looking for a powerful car power inverter? Meet the ShockFlow Car Power Inverter. It boasts dual 110-volt AC outlets, two 2.4A USB ports, a unique 20-watt fast charging port, and a DC 12 to 110-volt AC converter. Perfect for camping, road trips, and vacations. It not only charges your smart devices, but also powers your electrical appliances on the go. With an intelligent LCD screen displaying real-time car battery voltage and LED indicators showing load status, you'll always know what's happening. Don't leave home without it. Number 6. Car Floor Mats. Looking for tough car floor mats? Check out Flex Tough. Crafted with advanced rubber polymers, these mats are built to withstand extreme conditions. With a no-slip grip and ergonomic design, they provide traction and comfort. Plus, they're easy to clean and trim to fit your vehicle perfectly. Protect your car from spills, debris, and tough weather with Flex Tough floor mats. Number 5. Car trash bag holder. Ever wondered how to keep your car clean while on the road? Meet the car trash bag holder. GM's patent for a self-cleaning car floor may be in the future, but this handy device lets you keep your car spotless today. Load it with rolls of 20 bags, each capable of holding up to 10 kilograms of trash. Measuring just 27 centimeters, it takes up minimal space. A kit with a dispenser and 6 rolls is available for $27. It's not just practical, it's eco-friendly too. Don't wait for the future. Grab your car trash bag holder now and drive in a cleaner, more enjoyable car today. Number 4. Solar Car FM Transmitter. This sleek device lets you enjoy hands-free calls and wireless music streaming with crystal clear sound. It's powered by a built-in solar rechargeable battery, harnessing the sun's energy to keep you connected on the road. Need to charge your devices? It also doubles as a mobile power bank. Plus, with the auto reconnection memory function, it effortlessly syncs with your car whenever you hop in. Experience uninterrupted music and stay charged up while reducing your carbon footprint. Simply press the screen button, adjust the frequency, and cruise to your favorite tunes. Upgrade your car audio game with the Solar Car FM transmitter today. Number 3. Safety First Car Seat. Is the Safety First car seat both safe and comfortable for your little one? Absolutely. According to WHO statistics, child seats can reduce the risk of injury in traffic accidents by a whopping 70%. This seat not only ensures safety, but also offers comfort akin to airplane seats. With a 10-position headrest, 5 recline options, 2 detachable cup holders, and a secure tech magnetic clip, it's perfect for kids up to 10 years old. Plus, the 360-degree spin feature makes getting in and out hassle-free while reducing strain on your back. Installing it is a breeze, taking just around 20 minutes. Don't compromise on safety and comfort. Invest in a Safety First car seat for $320. Number 2. Fantic X8 APX Tire Inflator. Is the Fantic X8 APX Tire Inflator the ultimate solution for your tire inflation needs? Absolutely. This portable air compressor boasts lightning-fast inflation, reaching up to 150 psi, and it's perfect for cars, electric bikes, balls, bicycles, and motorcycles. It even serves as a handy device charger with its built-in 7800 mAh battery. No need for an external power source. It's truly wireless, providing up to 40 minutes of continuous runtime. The large dual LCD display shows real-time and preset pressure values, ensuring precise inflation. With 5 preset modes and an auto-stop feature, you can forget about overinflating your tires. Plus, it's equipped with an LED light for convenience. Get the Fantic X8 APX for just $90 and enjoy hassle-free tire inflation anytime, anywhere. Number 1. OctiLock. Have you ever wished for a car security system that's as smart as your phone? Look no further than OctiLock, the world's first biometric steering wheel locking system. Just like unlocking your phone with your fingerprint, OctiLock grants access with a simple touch. If that's not convenient enough, you can also use the mobile app for access. Plus, it's fortified with a 100 decibel alarm that rivals an orchestra in volume, deterring any would-be thieves. This lock is virtually impenetrable. It can withstand a 12-ton hydraulic rebar cutter and resist drilling and twisting. With the ability to store up to 40 fingerprints, it's perfect for families. And the best part? A single charge keeps it running for 6 months. Get yours on Indiegogo now for just $160. Thanks for tuning in. If you love our top 12 Amazon car gadgets, like, share, and subscribe for more thrilling tech content. Stay with us.